Yeah.
Okay. So now let's do this other half.
Yeah.
Okay. Most of the time, the key messages are already given in the left side. The right side is pretty much only to repeat, okay, and emphasize the meaning. So on this side, but the Chinese characters we shall learn, okay? So this one is called this Chinese character. You know, this part of the Chinese character, it basically means bad stuff, right? This is basically a knife, right? You know, so to kill the bad stuff means death, okay? 死
死
number 3, that means death, okay? Right?
Right.
So 生 and 死 they are opposite, right? One is to still stay alive, one is death. Okay, 死. So the moral verse that Mr. Yue Gen create is always have this nice symmetry. And that's why it's very good for the human mind to be able to get it. This is really a very, very wonderful way of teaching. You know, we should not call it a moral verse because this is about cultivation, as a matter of fact. Cultivation, okay? 死 yeah, right? We know. Okay. 死也 is, right? 和 和 second tone 和 和 means how, right? How. Okay. Again, this word is 改 third tone change, right? So 生也新改
心也心改
生也新改
心也心改
To be a human, to stay alive, is to change your heart, to cultivate your heart. Okay? 死也 if you're dead,
死也
how to change, right? If you do not have a human body, you're already dead, how can you change your heart anymore, correct? So that's why, you know, it's really emphasizing the fact is that when we are alive, we must work every day to cultivate our heart. And what we are cultivating is to get rid of the cause of death. Okay? That is the 死, right? Okay? That is what we are changing. 改 all the wrongdoings of a human being. If you look deeper into why they are doing wrong, you can always find it. Every wrongdoing is coming from try to get ahead for yourself, correct?
Yeah.
Jealousy, angry, right? Right?
Right.
You know, deception, right? Being evil, right? Lust and desire, correct? All of that is 死. That's gonna cause 死 death. So if you want to really stay alive, you also need to cultivate and change your heart. Birth, aging, sickness, the death of the human being, rooted in this. That's why the end of the human life is 死, right? That's why if you can cultivate, you will be alive.